Hi everyone, it's Lillian here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, today I don't have much to say, but I just want us to see how Lillian prepares fruit salad. Enjoy and stay blessed. First, you have to wash your fruits. Then you slice or you chop in the small pieces. No big deal. We've been seeing these videos, but people have different ways of making fruit salad, but mine here, you can see I was washing, guys. First you have to wash. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Those who come and join my channel also, this channel is for all of us. Without you, I'll keep on saying, without you, Lillian is nowhere to be seen. So guys, it was so hard for me to hold my phone as I record, plus cutting fruits. It wasn't easy, but I managed here to cut this behind the camera. I had to cut this behind the camera, guys. Here was my banana. It wasn't easy. So kindly, if you know you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Please remember to leave a sweet comment, at least to make me happy. Thank you and thank you so much. Stay blessed. Mambo ya kushika kamera na kukata hizi vitu jamani, it wasn't easy. So mimi niliamua zingine nitakata nyuma ya tent, alafu nitawaonyesha tu, then I'll show you guys. So there, I'm trying content creation. Haitaki uzembe. Content creation, you have to work hard also. So there, I tried. So stay blessed, stay tuned. I make this, we eat together.